Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we are talking about the health benefits of mangoes. Mangoes are a tropical fruit that is native to South Asia. They are a good source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Mangoes have been linked to a number of health benefits, including improved immunity. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for the immune system. Vitamin C helps the body fight off infection and disease. Heart health. Mangoes are a good source of potassium, which is a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Digestive health. Mangoes are a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly and can help to prevent constipation. Eye health. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin A, which is an important nutrient for vision. Vitamin A helps to protect the eyes from damage and can help to prevent night blindness. In addition to these health benefits, mangoes are also a delicious and versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. They can be eaten fresh, frozen, canned, or juiced. Mangoes can also be used in smoothies, pies, cakes, and other desserts. If you are looking for a healthy and delicious fruit to add to your diet, mangoes are a great option. They are packed with nutrients and have been linked to a number of health benefits. Here are some tips on how to incorporate mangoes into your diet. Add sliced mango to your breakfast cereal or yogurt. Make a mango smoothie for a quick and easy snack. Use mango in a fruit salad or salsa. Grill or roast mango slices as a side dish or dessert. Add mango to a fruit tart or cake. I hope you enjoyed this video on the health benefits of mangoes. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.